Vital affiliate marketing tips to help you make more money. What if you could come up with the perfect affiliate product that sells over and over again, making you a nice chunk of change 24 hours a day? Finding the right affiliate products to promote is not always easy. The good news is, there are literally tons of products available for you to choose from. Use these tips to narrow down your choices. Stay connected to the audience by being communicative on message boards. Listen to the opinions of the readers and get to know what they are looking for. Affiliate marketers should understand the changing desires of the audience by constantly researching their current needs and adding popular choices to the website. Increasing your productivity in affiliate marketing is about mindset just as much as it is about action. So in order to make sure you have the proper mindset, you should always wait until you experience results before increasing your campaign. Results will give you the confidence to grow and the drive to follow through. If you are trying to maximize the money you make from your affiliate marketing program, make sure you are getting credit for all the traffic you drive. Some programs only pay for purchases made on the first click-through from your site, but there are some that credit you for a set number of days after they click from your page. As you can see, a few techniques can help you choose affiliate products that you are really fired up about promoting. When something is near and dear to your heart, that comes through in every communication you make to your customers and the potential customers on your mailing list. It shines through in every video you write. Choose the right affiliate products for you, and watch your earnings go through the roof. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.